Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this vlog, it's basically gonna be like a day-to-day kind of thing where I'm just gonna like take you guys along with me to the Laker game, exercising, shopping, you know, all of that. Let's get into the video. So this is basically what I'm wearing, like this top and these jeans and these tennis shoes. I'm actually debating between like hats right now. This one, all black look, or do I want like a little green or a little pink? So I'm thinking I might do the black one though, and then I'll be wearing like a jacket. Wait 1 second. Okay, so this is what we're doing. So with the bag, I went with this hat and then this jacket, you know, real chill. We're on our way.
Don't come here.
Are you ready for the game?
Lakers by 10.
Hey y'all, it's the first day back. You know, I got my gym attire on, period, because it's the first day back in the gym. We are officially, what is it? What, days from summer? Yeah. I need that summer body. I almost didn't make it though because I was still in the bed. I had to hurry up and like get my stuff together.
Getting this work in on this beautiful Saturday.
So it's the very next day. It's approximately 1:28 p.m. as you can see, 1:29 now. I know I've been like looking like real crazy lately, but I'm about to get my hair done, nails done, lashes done, and everything. I'm actually on my way out the door right now to my lash appointment with Mimi. I'll be cute for the weekend because I'm actually on my way to Vegas for Cinco de Mayo weekend. So we're making a quick pit stop at Bath and Body Works because I have some free time, and yeah, I just want to run in there really quick just to see, you know, what I might need. Okay, thank you. I made it to my lash appointment, guys.
Finally.
Girl. Hey y'all, so it's the very next day. I didn't really like record because like I fell asleep and I was tired, so yeah. So this is the after. You guys like? Period. I know y'all probably like, what is going on with her hair right now? But I am about to blow dry my hair. I just finished washing my hair because, you know, remember I told you I was getting my hair done. Glow up in full effect. Okay, I like to part my hair in sections. That's the best way to, like, you know, really detangle your hair. So, you know, if you know, you know. All right, so I'm finished. Good morning, y'all. So right now I'm like literally in the middle of packing because we're gonna leave soon. It's about like almost 9 a.m. I'm actually running behind on time, but I just wanted to show you guys my hair since I didn't yesterday. Y'all see the inches? I got this really cute corset from Amazon. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing for one of my outfits, along with some pants that I got from Fashion Nova haul coming soon. Keep an eye out. We're going for the weekend. It's gonna be like 2 main outfits that I really like needed to pack. So I'm doing like a black girly but tomboy kind of thing, like, if that makes sense. And then for the other outfit, same thing, but like I got this really cute top from Shein that's like, it said like vintage, and like we're going for like the Lovers and Friends concert, so I was like, you know. So this is basically the top right here. See how it says like vintage, and then the whole back is out. I think it's really cute. And I'm wearing these with like some tan pants. I'm actually running like really low on time, so I'm gonna have to like wrap this up so I can like pack really fast. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and close this vlog out because I still need to run to the nail shop and everything else too. Whew. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me, because I need to be done by 10:30 the latest. Because yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep an eye out for the next vloggy vlog because it'll be when I'm in Vegas. Bye.